Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a mechanical pencil properly. This will be a full tutorial for beginners, so let's get right into the video. Once again, how to use a mechanical pencil properly, a full tutorial for beginners. So essentially, this is a mechanical pencil. They're also known as lead pencils. It's just sort of a name that I called them when we were younger, and now they're more commonly referred to as mechanical pencils. And what they do is they allow you to insert these pencil rods in them, and then when you press the clicker, it comes out like that, as you can see. Okay, so here's how to use them very simply. So basically, when a pencil rod is loaded into the mechanical pencil, you can push the clicker, and every time you push the clicker, as long as gravity is pushing the pencil rod down, every time you push the clicker, it's gonna come out a little bit more. As you can see, every time I push it, it comes out a bit more. Just like that, okay? Now let's say you put too much out of the pencil, like this is too much pencil rod out of the pencil. You can press and hold the clicker down, and then you can insert it back, okay? Just like that. So you press the clicker a few times, the pencil comes out. Let's say you do it too much, just like that. You can press and hold it down, and then you can retract it, just like that. Very simple, okay? So that's how to use it. Now, essentially, sorry about that, I'm just slipping in here because it's raining outside, and I just tried to move myself on the seat, so I kind of just slid, so I do apologize about that. When you want to refill the mechanical pencil, you pull off the eraser or the cap. There's gonna be something here. You pull it off, and then you can insert your pencil rods into that little opening right there. I believe there is a spare one in this one right here that I should be able to remove. So this is what one of the pencil rods looked like. And as you can see, I can insert it in there. And essentially, when I run out of this pencil rod, okay, when this one runs out, I can just click the clicker a few times. I can just click the clicker over and over again, and gravity will somehow get this rod into that little hole and feed it a new pencil rod. So you can load it up with a whole bunch, and then you basically have almost like a pencil that will last a very long time. It's not that it will never run out, but it will take a long time to run out. Some of the clickers are over here. Some of the clickers are on the top. So you have to see which mechanical pencil you have. But that's it. And obviously you can use it to write. That's straightforward though. But that is how to use a mechanical pencil properly. A full tutorial for beginners. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.